4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Wow! That thing went forever. Where did it go? Oh my gosh!
Where'd it go?
Way over there. It's going out behind his silos in the field.
Out there?
It's super far out.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Should have aimed it.
It's so far. See it?
There it is.
You see it?
There.
Wow. You can go find it. You get on your four-wheeler. I see it going. It's still going down.
Let's go.
You need your four-wheelers, Tyler.
We will?
It's going to be straight out behind his silos.
Okay. Straight out.
It's way out.
Okay. I'll pick you guys up. Where'd it go? How far out did it go?
And look.
No. See anything?
I have a bad feeling about this one. So do I.
We could have lost it. I might be wrong though.
What?
It's probably somewhere around here.
Obviously. Let Trevor get it. Because he hasn't got one like him. It's in the trees.
It's in the trees?
No. Look in the trees, guys. Then fall in the trees. It went far. I didn't know it was going to go farther than how deep. How far could it go? Like 1,000,000 feet away?
Not 1,000,000 feet. I think the charge was 1,100.
Hey, let's try
1,100 feet in the air. Plus that was an angle.
What? Did you see it when your dad showed it to you?
Is that it? No.
Come on, we're not going to quit until we find it, right?
Yeah.
Your dad should know where it is. He's fine. I'm going to get over here.
We should go back and get the four-wheeler, shouldn't we?
Yeah, but we got one. I got it.
You go get the four-wheeler. Bring the four-wheeler out here and we'll keep searching. Okay?
Look around this.
Okay. Dude, is that the rocket or is that another one?
The second one.
Oh.
But whatever we do, we let Trevor get it. Because he hasn't got one. What? Wait, stop.
See anything?
What?
See anything?
No. Not yet. If it's like all the way down to past this, I'm going to kick whoever invented this thing. Like, what if you just walk past it already? Stop. Can't tell still. I can't.
I think it's going that way. Yeah.
So we can walk all the way back to these fields that is land.
Yep. Pretty far. Do you think he's got the four-wheeler?
Yeah, I'm hoping. I know. It's right there. I see the yellow.
You do?
Yeah, I can.
Is it that white thing over there?
No, the yellow thing. Right over there.
In the middle?
Yes.
There it is.
No. Who's got faster?
Let's go faster.
Come on, we need
That better be it.
what? That's it. Come on.
Over here.
Found it. We found it.
Here it is. Let's go. Come on.
Trevor.
Come on, we found it.
Wait. Yeah, come on.
I sure hope it's that.
Hold on. Might be.
Is that?
Not it.
It's not it.
Maybe. Not it.
That's not it. Not it.
Not it.
No. Can't find it.
Guys, I think I see it.
Where?
Over there. By the round grass. Trevor, I think I found it. Over there. Right up there on the hill.
I see it.
47. 47.
And I'm driving. I'm driving when we go back. You found it?
He found it! He found it!
He found it.
Yeah, I found it.
I'm driving. Trevor, I'm driving. We're going back to the four-wheeler.
Yeah.
Ken, you want to ride in the back?
Yeah.
Okay. We found it? Found it?
We found it.
Yep.
Only a mile away, but we found it.
Yep.
You guys want to do them again or no?
Yeah.
I'll shoot it straight up and down.
Okay.
Nathan, we ran all that way.
Next video, if you want to see the rocket, go to part 2.